we got a sunny day today. It's kind of nice. It was completely overcast yesterday. And we are on the Sheltowee Trail. I believe means Big Turtle. Trail in total I think is something like 666 miles. We're just doing a small portion, a little 5 miles in and out. There's supposed to be a cave at the end of the trail here, so it's kind of out here in this kind of terrain. Alright, well, we think we made it down to the cave here. Look at this stream coming right out of it. We got a little bit of a history with caves, don't we?
We love caves.
You want to do it?
I'm ready to go.
Alright, let's check it out. It might not be like a cave that goes in very far. I was thinking that it kind of dead ends here. There's water, but I noticed this arrow. See, so you must climb back up. Oh wow. This is creepy, dude. It goes back a little ways. It looks like there's two. Whoa. They look like a cricket, but it's a spider.
Whoa,
They're
that
like,
is huge.
Look at those spiders. Cave spiders. There's a whole bunch of them. They're like everywhere.
Oh my god. I don't know if I can go back there. They're that huge. These spiders.
Yeah, it gets pretty small. This is like real caving. Ah, they're falling from the ceiling.
Okay, that's gross. There's like spiders. I don't think I could do it.
I'm gonna go in a little further till one falls on me. Yeah, this goes down there. There's some water. There's water dripping back there. Alright, well, this is Resurgence Cave. This is pretty precarious. I mean, this stuff right here could really crumble. I mean, a lot of it has. So, you know, like any caving, it could go wrong pretty quick. So this may be as far as we go. We don't really have caving gear.
Plus, there's spiders falling from the sky.
You don't like the spiders falling from the ceiling? Alright.
Back out in fresh air.
Alright, we made it back from our cave hike. Good job, that was fun. Good thing there was no cars coming.
Let's do it again.
All right, this is our post bike meal here. We're doing chicken rice bowls. Just some grilled chicken, rice, corn, black beans, little pico. Oh yeah. Alright, well, we're getting things wrapped up here at our Turkey Foot Recreation Area campsite here in the Daniel Boone National Forest in Kentucky. It has been nice, kind of a drizzly, wet day today. We did have quite a few nice days. We camped in this spot for just about a week. There's quite a few hiking trails around here, nice gravel road we got some mountain biking in on, and it's just overall been a real nice day. They do have toilets here, so that's been a nice convenience for a free campsite. It's always a nice thing to have. And just kind of been right next to this creek here. It's been super nice. Well, we've had a pretty good rain all night, and I am surprised to see how much the water has risen. It has come up a considerable amount. Wow. This seems to be flowing a lot more heavy. Got quite a bit more water coming off the rocks here. Alright, it's time to roll on out of here. Got a wet, cool morning this morning. I think the high is only supposed to be like 35 degrees Fahrenheit. They're talking possibly snow this afternoon through the night. So we'll see if we get a little snow. Definitely got a cool down coming in, so we're gonna just try to work around that. We're still slowly just making our way south, trying to see as much as we can on our way. And this creek definitely did rise up quite a bit. Being down in this low point in the valley here with just a little bit of rain, it really fills these creeks up quick. We even got water running across this area here. I believe they just put some work into this. There were some signs, and this we walked this. These concrete slats here look pretty new. I'd imagine with a real heavy rain, like the signs say, it's probably not very passable. All right, away we go. Rolling into downtown London, Kentucky. These all old brick buildings here, geez. London Elementary. They're all decked out for the holidays already. Ah, neat. I like this. Laurel County Courthouse off to the right there. Well, I'm just loving it out here in Kentucky. A lot of you may remember, 5 years back now, when I first came to Kentucky for the job in Amazon for the holiday season in Campbellsville, Kentucky. That was my first taste of really getting to meet some of the local Kentucky folks, and man, that southern hospitality, just some of the kindest, courteous, friendliest people that I've ever met. Well, we're getting a little laundry done here at the laundromat, and we are getting some snow here. Alright, we got laundry finished up. That took a little longer than expected. Kelly got kind of tied up. She had trouble finding propane. So we're just getting going now. Look at all these Christmas lights. That looks cool. So we're going to head down to Williamsburg, Kentucky and stop at a Pilot truck stop and just get some sleep. Get up early in the morning. That is the plan. Away we go. Alright, well, the pilot truck stop was pretty small, so we're going to park behind this restaurant here. It's smelling pretty good. And I don't like driving at night anyway, so. Well, we made it through the night here in the parking lot. I believe it is about, it's almost 7 a.m. already. And it got a little chilly. My thermometer's showing 40 as a low over the night. Did turn the diesel heater on it once throughout the night, and it's on now. I just got up and turned it on. It's already up to 55 in here. So I'm going to peek out and see how much snow actually accumulated out there. Oh wow. Well, the windshield and window is covered here. Looks like there's quite a bit on the ground. We'll hop out here in a little bit. Alright, well, Kentucky got their first snow of the season. And it's a little chilly, got down to about 26. It's 26 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So I'm gonna get back in the van. I got the diesel heater running. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you joining me on this journey. Really do appreciate y'all following along and all the positive support and feedback. Really means a lot to me. Hope you're all doing well out there. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.